The Article 200 deals with powers of governor regarding giving sanction to bills, and there are that, let's say, 4 such options. One option is to give sanction to bill, another is to return the bill for reconsideration of the House, and once it is sent back, then governor is bound to give sanction. Withhold similar power, the way power president enjoys, governor also enjoys. And then let's say to reserve, one additional is that president enjoy 3, governor enjoy 4. Governor can reserve the bill for president consideration. This, and governor can reserve the bill for president consideration on the grounds, you know that. There are some grounds. Grounds are that if state law is in conflict with union law, if the law deals with, let's say, high court related matter, or if the law deals with any such matter which is somehow obstructing the union decision making power, this, that way. These are the 4 options, right? But you know that governors have misused it. Governors misused it. Yesterday we told that. So when governors started misusing and delaying it, the first is that governors have first delayed, then they have blocked this. They have delayed also, they have blocked also. This blocked means ki withheld. This. तो डिलेड पे तो जजमेंट आ गया, उस पर बोलना है कि कमीशंस ने भी बोला है कि क्या करना चाहिए. तो ऑलरेडी लेट्स से कि यू हैड इशूज, इट इज नॉट न्यू, इट यूज्ड टू बी दैट इशू. This. So finally the matter, let's say that ki came. So yesterday we told you that finally let's say ki Tamil Nadu case came and timeline was set. This, it is April 2025. Then this called November 2025. The November 2025, this, so in November 2025, what happens? Something happens like, let's say that 14-point references. So President of India gave 14 questions were sent by President for presidential reference. Presidential reference, right? Now this presidential reference view, Supreme Court gave its view. Supreme Court gave its view on that. This. So what Supreme Court gave its view on that? This view is somehow, let's say that ki reversal of this. This view is reversal. It brings reversal of this. That we have to know what it brings reversal. And now this view will be taken forward. This view will have finality. This will, let's say, this view will have finality. That this we have to know. What Supreme Court has given here view, you know that the Supreme Court has given the view that governor has only 3 options. Here you have written 4 options. But Supreme Court has told that ki governor has only 3 options. Governor has only 3 options, right? This, so this, let's say, what option it says? You can give sanction, you can certainly return the bill, but if you withhold, this return and withhold it has combined. Supreme Court has told that ki both are one. You cannot withhold bill stand alone. This means governor does not have power to withhold bill stand alone. Stand alone means कि एक let's say कि independent decision नहीं ले सके. Withholding is not an independent power. Withholding should always be backed with returning the bill. If you are withholding, you have to return the bill. Yes. If you are withholding, so you will return the bill. The difference between withholding and returning the bill, this first and second option is that, suppose you return the bill without withholding, it means that there can be some room for improvement and bill can be improved. But when we have withheld the bill, it means the bill has serious problem. So when you return it, the house should try to rectify that. That is how it is. So you have to know the takeaway is that now governor has only 3 powers, not 4 powers when a bill is sent to governor.